Farinda, I heard that you're going to be the debate competition candidate for our school. But you don't have any partner to discuss with yet, am I right? How if I become your partner? I was the candidate for the previous debate competition.
That's very kind of you, Raffles. When should we start the discussion? We need to discuss it soon because the competition will be held next month.
That's exactly what I mean. It's better to start as soon as possible. Today is okay. Let me help you to find more materials for the competition. You need to prepare it well before the simulation with other candidates.
Thanks a lot, Raffles.
What expression used in the conversation? Ekspresi apakah yang digunakan dalam percakapan sebelumnya? Yeah, it's offering help. Expression of offering help. Ekspresi menawarkan bantuan. There are so many ways of offering help. Ada banyak sekali cara untuk menawarkan bantuan. For example, can I help you? Or may I help you? Bolehkah saya membantumu? What can I do for you? Apa yang dapat saya lakukan untukmu? Hey, you look in trouble. What if I carry the bags? Hey, kamu sepertinya kesulitan. Bagaimana jika saya membawa tas-tas itu? I will make the report. Saya akan membuat laporan itu. Do you want me to go with you? Kamu ingin saya pergi bersamamu? Well, there are many other ways of offering help that you can use. Jadi masih ada banyak cara menawarkan bantuan yang bisa kalian pakai. All of them depend on the situation. Semuanya tergantung dari situasi saat kalian berbicara. Levels of formality. Level formalitas. Ya, seperti yang kita bicarakan tadi, bahwa ekspresi menawarkan jasa itu dapat digunakan tergantung dari situasi saat kita berbicara. The first one, formal situation, situasi formal. You can use, may I help you? Bolehkah saya membantumu? Might I help at all? Dapatkah saya membantu? Perhaps I could assist in some ways. Mungkin saya bisa membantu. If we can be any assistance, please do not hesitate to contact us. Jika kami bisa membantu, jangan ragu untuk menghubungi kami. Okay, you can use all of this and many other expressions in formal situation. Kalian bisa pakai ekspresi ini dan masih banyak ekspresi lainnya di situasi formal. For example, in the office, di kantor, or saat kalian berbicara dengan orang yang usianya lebih tua, atau saat berbicara dengan orang yang kedudukannya lebih tinggi. Next, informal situation, situasi tidak formal. For example, at your home, at the market, atau saat kalian berbicara dengan teman-teman kalian yang sebaya atau yang umurnya berada di bawah umur kalian. Can I help you? Bolehkah saya membantumu? Let me help you. Izinkan saya membantumu. Shall I go with you? Haruskah saya pergi bersamamu? What if I wash the dishes? Bagaimana jika saya mencuci? What can I do to help? Apa yang dapat saya lakukan untuk membantu? Is there anything I can do? Apakah ada yang bisa saya lakukan? Tentunya untuk membantu. Would you like any help? Apa kamu menginginkan bantuan? The last one, neutral situation. Situasi netral. It means that you can use these expressions for both informal or formal situations. Jadi kamu bisa pakai ekspresi-ekspresi ini pada situasi informal atau situasi formal. Need some help? Perlu bantuan? I'll do it for you. Saya akan melakukannya untukmu. Can I help out? Boleh saya bantu? Want a hand? Perlu bantuan? It looks like you could do with some help. Sepertinya kamu bisa melakukannya dengan sedikit bantuan. What can I do for you? Apa yang dapat saya lakukan untukmu? Okay, let's continue to the response of offering help. Respon dari sebuah tawaran bantuan. The first one is accepting offers. Respon menerima sebuah tawaran bantuan. You can read by yourself here. There are informal ways, informal ways, and neutral ways. Oke, kalian bisa baca sendiri di sini. Ada dalam situasi formal, informal, dan netral. Don't forget to practice it in the conversation. Jangan lupa untuk mempraktekkan ini di percakapan kalian. Oke? Well, adik-adik, jika kamu ingin menolak sebuah tawaran bantuan yang diberikan kepada kalian, you can use all of these expressions and many other expressions. So, please translate them by yourself and try to use them in your speaking practice. Let's watch a video of offering help. Okay, here is the video. Please enjoy it. And don't forget to identify the offering help expression being used.
Oh, no.
Can I help you with that?
No, that's all right. I gotta put everything in the right order. It's very kind of you to offer, though.
Oh, you're welcome.
Adik-adik, setelah menonton video tadi, let's try to identify the offering help expression used in the conversation. Ayo kita identifikasi ekspresi menawarkan bantuan dan respon yang dipakai dalam video tersebut. The first one is expression. Can I help you with that? Can I help you with that? Bolehkah saya membantumu? Let's identify the response. Do you still remember the response? Kalian masih ingat respon dari tawaran bantuan yang diberikan kepada sang wanita? Well, the response is, no, that's alright. That's very kind of you to offer. Tidak masalah. Terima kasih untuk tawaran bantuanmu. From the response, we know that the woman refuses or declines the help being offered to her. Dari respon sang wanita, kita tahu bahwa dia menolak tawaran bantuan yang diberikan. Adik-adik, now let's watch a video of offering help by foreign learners. Kali ini, the foreign learners adalah adik-adik kita dari SMAK Santo Fransiskus Xaverius Ruteng.
Hello, good morning. This is Ayana Hotel. How can I help you?
Hello, I'd like to book a room for June 19. Do you have any vacancies?
Okay, let me check it for you. Please wait.
Okay.
Selanjutnya, kita akan membahas offering help examples. Di sini kita akan melihat beberapa penjelasan singkat tentang offering help expressions yang bisa kita gunakan. Again, please read the examples by yourself, translate them by yourself, and please use them in your speaking practice. Try not to use only one expression because you have many expressions here. Good luck! Oke adik-adik, sekian pembahasan kita tentang offering help today. Hopefully what you've learned with me today will be useful for you.
How if I make you another video of offering help?